What's up, YouTube? My baby. It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell somebody. Because we're literally over here. Without further ado, I got so much stuff. Well, not so much stuff, but I got stuff that came in today. Y'all, TikTok gave me this bright idea to send you can send birthday invitations, graduation invitations, y'all. So I got graduation invitations for me, and then pub invitations for Luna, and I'm gonna send them out to companies and celebrities and see how I go. So I would definitely keep y'all updated on that. And y'all, did y'all know a book of stickers? I'm not a book of stickers. A book of stamps is like $15. Oh my gosh. So yeah, y'all. The things I got today is from the DH and also the Expressway. I don't take this out because I'll mess around and lose it. So I had got this little cross. I liked it because it has the nugget background, back in the 90s, the nugget rings and stuff. Thought it was so cute. Just something simple. So I know I want to wear a cross on graduation day. So I just got me two options. These are from the Expressway. And then I definitely want to wear a watch. I mean, I'm not really a watch wearer because I always got my phone. I wear my stacked bangles. So I don't really, don't really wear watches. But I have watches. It's just I don't wear them. So I wanted to get a watch for graduation. All gold, little gray silver face. And then I seen this on the Expressway. Thought it was cute. This is the bucket one. Because I have a silver one, but my mom wanted it, so I gave it to her. So I just got me this one. Plus I got some high top sneakers that goes with this. So definitely cute. And then the last thing, y'all, is this right here. I just been getting ready for graduation because that's going to pop up, I know, as soon as possible out of nowhere. So I just been getting little stuff ready on, what I'm going to wear and stuff. I don't know what I'm going to wear as far as outfit wise. I don't know how I'm going to have my hair either, but we'll see. But I already got my sneakers that I'm wearing because I don't wear heels. And the purse that I'm wearing is between this purse and another purse. I'll show y'all. I'll probably do a video dedicated to all the stuff I'm getting prepared for graduation. Y'all, I've seen this because I want rhinestones. Rhinestones is my theme for graduation, and I just thought this was so cute. So I figured, why not just get this for graduation? Because I think they got bag requirements, and it's small, dainty enough for me to put my phone in there, and if I want to put my little Go action camera recorder thing. Y'all, this is so cute. Gold hardware. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to open this. This is so cute. So cute and dainty. This is from DH. I'm going to say this is like 60, 70 bucks. I just thought it was cute with the rhinestones. Got the gold chain. Y'all, this is beautiful. So yeah, y'all, this is one of the bags. I might just pick this bag to wear on graduation because I think it's just so cute and dainty. So yeah, y'all, this is my little miniature haul. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I get to see you guys on the next one. Or I get to see you guys on the next one, but I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye!